Welcome to your ultimate destination for honest gadget reviews and the latest tech updates. Here, we explore must-have accessories to help you choose the perfect device. Are you looking for the top 5 best 4K smart mirror dash cams in 2026? You are in the right place. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a review. This is your tech guide to smarter buying. Stay connected, stay updated, and stay tech smart with us. Thank you. Number 1. Upgrade your driving experience with the 4K Mirror Dashcam 4-channel, a premium vehicle security and recording system designed for complete road coverage. Featuring a large 12-inch touchscreen rear-view mirror display, this advanced dash cam captures crystal-clear footage with a powerful 4K front camera and 3 additional 1080p cameras for rear, interior, and side monitoring. The built-in IR night vision technology ensures sharp and detailed recordings even in low-light or nighttime conditions, making it ideal for daily commuting, rideshare drivers, and long-distance travel. With 4-channel recording, you can monitor every angle of your vehicle simultaneously for enhanced safety and evidence collection. Stay connected through integrated Wi-Fi and the dedicated mobile app, allowing you to view, download, and share recordings directly from your smartphone. The built-in GPS accurately tracks driving route, speed, and location data, providing valuable information when needed. The responsive touchscreen interface makes operation simple and intuitive, while loop recording and parking monitoring help ensure continuous protection whether you're driving or parked. Combining cutting-edge video quality, smart connectivity, and comprehensive vehicle surveillance, this 4K mirror dashcam is the perfect solution for drivers seeking reliability, convenience, and peace of mind on every journey. Number 2. The Wolfbox G840S 12-inch 4K mirror dashcam is a premium driving companion designed to enhance safety, convenience, and visibility on the road. Featuring an ultra-clear 4K front camera and a 1080p rear camera, this advanced dual-camera system captures sharp, detailed footage day and night. Its 12-inch full-touch smart mirror display provides a wider field of view than traditional rear-view mirrors, helping drivers monitor traffic and surroundings with greater confidence. Equipped with fast 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity, the G840S allows seamless connection to your smartphone through the dedicated app, making it easy to view, download, and share recordings. The enhanced night vision technology ensures excellent image quality in low-light conditions, while the wide-angle lenses reduce blind spots for improved road awareness. Designed for cars, SUVs, and trucks, the Wolfbox G840S supports continuous loop recording and parking monitoring, providing reliable protection whether you're driving or parked. The rear backup camera also assists with safer reversing by delivering a clear, real-time rear view directly on the mirror screen. The Wolfbox G840S is an excellent choice for drivers seeking a smarter and safer driving experience. Number 3. The AZDOME 4K plus 2.5K mirror dashcam is an advanced driving companion designed to enhance safety, convenience, and recording quality on every journey. Featuring stunning 4K front recording and 2.5K rear camera resolution, this premium mirror dashcam captures crystal-clear footage with exceptional detail, ensuring important moments on the road are always documented. Its large 12-inch rear-view mirror display provides a wider and clearer view of traffic behind your vehicle, improving visibility and driving confidence. Equipped with intelligent ADAS, Advanced Driver Assistance System, BSD, blind spot detection, and LCA, lane change assist technologies, the camera helps drivers stay aware of surrounding vehicles and potential hazards, making every trip safer. The built-in 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi enables faster data transfer and seamless connection to the companion mobile app, allowing users to view, download, and share recordings with ease. Voice control functionality offers hands-free operation, letting drivers access key features without taking their eyes off the road. Integrated GPS tracking records driving routes, speed, and location data for added security and trip documentation. The AZDOME 4K plus 2.5K mirror dashcam combines cutting-edge technology, superior video quality, and intelligent safety systems into one powerful automotive solution. Number 4. The Pelsee 4K plus 2.5K mirror dashcam is a premium driving companion designed to provide exceptional road safety and crystal-clear recording quality. Equipped with Sony Starvis 2 IMX678 front sensor and IMX335 rear sensor, this advanced dash cam captures stunning 4K front and 2.5K rear footage, ensuring every detail is recorded with remarkable clarity. The large 12-inch rear-view mirror display offers an expanded view of the road while seamlessly replacing your traditional rear-view mirror. Featuring advanced color night vision technology, the Pelsee dash cam delivers sharp and vivid recordings even in low-light conditions, making nighttime driving safer and more reliable. Built-in 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi provides faster and more stable connectivity, allowing users to easily access. The integrated ADAS, Advanced Driver Assistance System, enhances driving awareness with intelligent alerts designed to help prevent accidents and improve road safety. Loop recording, parking monitoring, and G-sensor protection ensure critical footage is securely stored when needed, whether for daily commuting, road trips, or professional driving. The Pelsee 4K plus 2.5K mirror dash cam combines cutting-edge technology, convenience, and dependable performance to deliver comprehensive vehicle protection and peace of mind. Number 5. The Wolfbox G930 10-inch rear-view mirror camera is a premium dual dash cam system designed to enhance driving safety, visibility, and convenience. Featuring stunning 4K front recording and high-definition rear camera capture, this advanced mirror dash cam delivers crystal-clear footage of the road ahead and behind, helping drivers record important details during every journey. Equipped with fast and stable 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity, the G930 allows seamless video transfer and easy access to recordings through a compatible mobile app. Its advanced WDR wide dynamic range technology automatically balances exposure in challenging lighting conditions, ensuring clear and detailed footage during both daytime and nighttime driving. The large 10-inch touchscreen functions as a smart rear-view mirror, providing an intuitive interface for adjusting settings, viewing live camera feeds, and reviewing recorded videos. The included backup camera enhances parking safety by offering a wider rear view and improved visibility when reversing. Designed for everyday reliability, the Wolfbox G930 also supports parking monitoring, loop recording, and continuous video capture to help protect your vehicle when parked. Combining modern technology, exceptional image quality, and user-friendly features, the Wolfbox G930 is an excellent choice for drivers seeking a comprehensive front and rear dash cam solution.